Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 77th Technique Tuesday. So we are super excited about this one. It's going to be a short technique, but here we go. Alright, so we have a fun technique for you today. It is pretty simple actually, but it makes your pages look really, really cool. So you will be seeing it in our kit of the month as well this month. So we will be using our little Fiskars cutter here, and we'll show you that after, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take, this is just an extra piece of cardstock I have. This is our Carolina, one of our new colors. You can see the two-toned. I have it on the lighter side of the two-toned. And I'm just gonna cut this down to, what is this? Let's see what it is right now. It is at 3 3/4. So I will keep it at 3 3/4. But I will just square that off. So I have a 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 square. So what we are going to be doing is our final result is going to be a triangle. So in order to make that, if we wanted to make it a perfect triangle, we have to pinch one of the edges, just like as if you're dovetailing a piece of paper. You're going to pinch that edge. And now that is the center of my triangle. That's going to be my top point. So once I get that, I'm going to go with my cutter. Do you have a better suggestion? Is this how we did it?
I was just going to say that you could also take a pencil and mark the midway.
Yeah,
point.
you could do that too. That might be easier, but I like doing it this way. So then I've got that point, and then I'm going to go my other side and line that up.
Yeah, you're matching the corners of the points up.
And now I've got that perfect triangle. Isn't that really cool? And then you have these fun pieces as well to play with. You can always flip them around and make some cool designs with it. But if you wanted to see our final pages of these, that is what all of these triangles are. So every single one on these pages is made using that technique. So we did that with a 3 by 3 by 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 square. And you can make it with any squares. So super, super simple technique today. Do you have any other suggestions? No? Okay. Let's see. I just want to play around a little bit. So even if you have a piece of paper like this that's not exactly even, like my square that I had, you can always take this too and make a triangle the same way.
It'll just be longer and skinnier.
Yes. I love this little cutter. It is like one of my favorite things. It is perfect for those tiny cuts. That's cool. I just like making these triangles. We've had a lot of fun doing this. And I think that's a really cool thing too. If you have these lined across the page, it gives it an awesome texture look or pattern look. It looks like Argyle socks, like Walt Disney. But just so you have those fun triangles that you can then play with on your page. So that is how you make a perfect paper triangle. So Mom was also playing around here, and she said that you can make a diamond with them. So if you do that, put the two pieces that you just cut together, and then you can make the little diamond lines. That's cool. If you have a bunch of the same ones too, these are the same size, you could always add them on with the different colors. Of course, I'd have to trim that a little bit, but to give it some dimension. So these are just fun little things that you can play with once you've got your squares. Squares. Triangles. And thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We enjoy making our little triangles, don't we?
Yes, we do.
And we hope you guys do too. Also remember, it is part of our kit of the month, so that's a fun new technique you can use. And go check out our kit of the month at justsayscrap.wordpress.com/kit of the month. And the photos will be there. It will tell you how to be a part of our kit of the month this month. So go check that out. We are also super excited because in 2 days we are having our first weekend. So thank you to everybody that has shown support, and even said it in person over the last few weekends. We appreciate all of you guys being excited for us, so we are excited as well. And we might be signing more contracts this weekend as well. So we will be getting those dates out to you. We are super excited, if you can't tell. So, yay, weekends. Also, shameless plug, if you haven't heard or if you are a Disney fan, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is going to be releasing dates, well, Disney's going to be releasing dates for it this week. So, if you are a big Star Wars fan and you wanted to get to Walt Disney World or to go to Disneyland in California to go see the new Galaxy's Edge, message me for a free quote. I can help you out with everything, and my services are 100% free. So if you want to go to Disney, let me know. I guess that's everything, right?
I think so.
All right. We'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.
It's Adele and April from Just Say... What number is it? We are here with our 70th...
77.